All right, I have an iRobot Roomba, and I'm going to show you something. I'm having an issue with the Roomba and how to fix it. As you can see right here, the Roomba, you come in right here, you can see that there's scuff marks on the Roomba. Now this happens when the Roomba brushes up against the wall and it actually removes some of the paint and actually leaves like a ding on the wall. So I'm gonna take care of this problem. And all I have to do is look at where the Roomba is running into, just look at where the marks, and I'm gonna solve this issue. I'm gonna go all the way around the back to see if there's anything on the back as well. It looks like all of it seems to be on the front. So what I'm gonna do is, there's one marker back here. Maybe I'll put, no, that's not necessary. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna come down a little bit so you guys can see this a little bit. I have some felt tips right here, all right, made by Waxman. Now what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna take one of these felt tips, or several of these felt tips, but I'm gonna take one sheet right here, all right, and I'm gonna take the felt tips, all right, these are very small right here. These are the 3/8 inch or the 10 millimeter, however you want to call it. We're gonna take this and I'm just gonna place a couple around here. I'm gonna mostly be up on the sides right here. I'm gonna put one right here. And what this is gonna do is, it's going to prevent the Roomba from bumping into the wall and leaving a scratch either on the Roomba or on the wall. All right, I'm trying to protect my investment, trying to protect my house, and I'm gonna do that by placing these just sporadically around the side. Now it's important to take off the plastic or the sticker on the bottom before you place it on here. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and peel this off, get it a little bit closer to the sticky part. And then place it on various parts of it. All right, you can be sporadic with this. It's not necessarily that you line the entire front up, but I'm gonna put one right here as well. And when the Roomba runs into the wall, it won't scratch it, leave a scratch mark at all. All right, I'm gonna put one more. I'm gonna peel this off. A little bit tricky. All right, so peel that off. And then put it right there. And it should be protected from this. And the thing with the felt tips is they stay on very thoroughly, and it should work out fine. All right, that was my quick fix. I hope it was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.